Alright guys, so check this out. If I try to open this app right now, boom, you can see it says this app can't run on your PC. And yeah, I know this error is super annoying. So at first I thought maybe the file is corrupted or I downloaded the wrong version. I tried a bunch of stuff, nothing worked. But here's what actually happened in my case. Windows security basically removes some important files from the app. So let me show you the fix real quick. Go to Windows Security, then head over to Virus and Threat Protection and click on App Protection History. Now, right here, you'll see the file that got flagged. Click on it, go to Actions and hit Allow on Device. What this does is it restores the file that Windows deleted. Now, yeah, it says threat or whatever, but sometimes it does that even for save files. So only do this if you trust the app you installed. Next step, go to App Browser Control, then click on App Reputation Based Protection Settings, and right here, just turn off and check apps and files for a second, and also turn off potentially unwanted app blocking app. Alright, now let's try opening the app again. And there you go, it works perfectly now, no error. So yeah, that's the quick fix, but honestly I still recommend uninstalling and reinstalling the app if you want the cleanest solution. If you just want a fast fix, this method works. Hope that helped, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.